Okay, so we're inside WeVideo, and what I want to do is I want to go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and I want to click on Account, and then I want to go to the Media Uploader, which is the second section down from the top, and I want to make sure it's on My Media, and I hit Next. And what I want to do now is I want to select the videos or images that I want to upload for my group project. So I'll select this one, and let's say this video here. I then go to the top right corner and click on Upload. And then it's going to go through and upload all of the videos. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to go a lot faster. So if you have your phone service, it might go a little bit slower. Once it tells you that all three have been completed, you know that you are done, and then you'll need to go into WeVideo and share those videos with your group.